Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Loginade. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to save Google Docs to files on iPhone. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your Google Docs. Once you open your Google Docs, you can select the doc that you want to save to your files. Now you may open that doc by tapping on the doc, and then at the top right corner you can see the three dots. You can tap on the three dots and a bar opens up from the right side of your screen. Here you can see the share and export option on the ninth. Now you may tap on share and export. Now once you're here, on the fourth you can see send a copy option. Tap on that option. Then once the device prepares your Word file, then a bar opens up from the bottom of your screen. Now here you can scroll down, and then at the bottom right above edit actions in blue you can see the save to files option. Tap on save to files. This will simply help you to save the doc to your files. Now on the screen you can see different folders. You can choose one of the folders where you want to put this doc in. Here I'm choosing my documents folder for now. Once you tap on documents, then you can tap on save, which is at the top right corner, and it will save the file or the document in that folder. This will take you back to the previous page, which was your Word document. Then you can go back, and then to check if the document has been uploaded to your files or not, you can go to your files, and then at the top you can see here that my Google Doc has been successfully uploaded to my files. This is how you can simply save Google Docs to files on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.